I did make some changes in the trading. I was up to about 52.6 on my Lucid account. The first fund that I've actually passed. Got it up to 2.6. I was aiming for like 3.5, 3 to 3.5 before I took my profit, so I could have a buffer if I want to continue that account. Got up to 2.6 in profit. And I was like, I had like a winning streak of like at least a week prior to that. And I don't know in the moment, but I was feeling overconfident. And then I came into the next week. It was either next week or the same week I realised, well, I didn't realise it, but came into that state of mind. And I've lost ever since. I mean, every single trade I have rushed into, and I've tried to just make money. It's like I'm not trying to be accurate. I'm trying to make money, which is, of course, the wrong mindset to have. It's like market opens at 9:30. I think normally I'm in like 4 minutes, I'm in trade. And then I've lost that trade, obviously, because that's just how I've been trading. I took a couple days off to paper trade. And then, surprise, surprise, paper trading, I did pretty well. My first trade on paper was pretty bad. But once I actually realised, hang on, I'm on paper, I know what I've got to do, suddenly it clicked again and I was able to trade perfectly. Now I've got like a $500 buffer before I blow the funding account. I've lost about $2,000. About 400, 500 of that was also because I left the contracts when I had a night by accident, but still, I've lost the majority of my account through my own doing. I mean, literally, this whole month I've lost. I haven't had a winning day the whole month of August. I mean, not one. And it's the 18th of August now. I've had 2 weeks of trading, 2, 3 weeks, and I've lost every trade I've taken. And there hasn't even been a day where I haven't taken a trade. Every single day I've taken a trade and I've lost. I'm not in the state of mind right now where I'm looking at trades and entering trades to be accurate. I'm not entering trades right now to be accurate. I'm not responding to risk. I'm trying to make money. I mean, literally, it's like my mind is just going at 100 miles an hour. And I literally have checkboxes up on my other screen, reminding myself his state to be and reminding myself how to trade because I know how to do it. That's the thing. I'm not saying I know all of quarterly theory. I'm not saying I know all of sequence theory. I'm not saying I know all of ICT's learnings and studies. I'm not saying that, but I know enough that I know, given the right circumstances, given the right mindset, given the right contract, given the right season, given the right market conditions for the day and for a session, I know I can be profitable if I have a clear head. It's that one thing that has leaked. Given the markets this month haven't been that favourable to me in some senses, but every single day I've managed to find a trade in hindsight or on paper that played out. I need to take a break from trying to make money. I'm not even going to next week risking one contract. And that's it. That's all I could do. If it goes over $200, I don't enter. I think that's what I will do because I'm not where I want to be with trading. Even with that contract I held overnight by accident, I should have still earned that back by now. And beyond that, and realistically, I should have been at my 3.5 target by now. I should have had a payout by now. I haven't because I let my emotions slide. It's not even a case of things leaking into trading. It's not a case of psychology outside of trading. It's all when I sit down at that screen. As soon as I sit down to trade and it goes 9:30, suddenly I'm trying to get a contract in as soon as I possibly can. I'm trying to get I'm trying to extract money from the market as soon as I can, and that loses. But 90% of the time, if I wait till Q3 and I react based on the way I know to trade, then that trade plays out. So I think that's it for me. I just need to focus on being accurate, be patient. I saw an analogy of how a tiger, he waits in the grass, he can wait in the grass for ages, and doesn't move until his prey is exactly where he needs it, and then he moves. That's exactly the same mindset. That's me in trading. If I've got to wait 20, 30 minutes to get trading, then I have to wait 20, 30 minutes. Even if I'm waiting past 11 a.m., then I'm waiting past 11 a.m., I'm waiting into the next cycle. That's all it takes. And throughout that, I can continue to learn and continue to progress my knowledge. I can continue to backtest my trades and support my ideas. But that's all I've got to do. I've just got to get my mind at the position where I'm thinking in terms of probabilities. If I lose the probability, it's not because I was trying to make money. It's not because I was acting on the idea of me extracting money from the market, or that I'd missed a move, or that now that a move has started, I need to get in as quick as I can on a retrace, which is what happens today. Simple issues, but detrimental effects to my finances. So, anyway, not long, and I will have that in check.